The system we live in offers too many job opportunities to everyone. We only have to take a forward step to utilize it. In this video, we'll look at the 5 quick ways to get a job if you are unplaced in your campus interviews or unemployed. Number 1. Define your direction. Choose your career path. Do a detailed research about the different roles and opportunities available in the system. Does the role work with customers? Does the job involve technical abilities? Does the role involve business development? Does the role involve programming abilities? Try to match your capabilities and interests with the role available in the market and pick the right one that suits you. Number 2. Browse and look for companies that match your interest. Let's say you're looking for a job in a product-based software company based in Chennai. Type in the keywords in the Google search window. You'll get a list of product-based software companies based in Chennai. From the list of companies, we'll go with Freshworks. Type in Freshworks Careers. Here, you'll get a list of job openings posted by Freshworks. Scroll through the list and apply for the desired position. You will be notified at the time of interview if your resume gets shortlisted. Likewise, apply for at least 5 companies a day. This will increase your probability of getting shortlisted. Number 3. Register in employment websites and apps. Some of the commonly used platforms are Indeed, Intershala, Freshersworld.com and Naukri. Now, we will have a look at how Indeed works. You can either use the Indeed mobile app or the website. First, create your Indeed profile using your email ID and your credentials. In the search box, you can enter generic terms like freshers job vacancy and enter your desired location. You'll get a list of job openings related to your search. Apply for the desired ones. You can also look for very specific job openings. For instance, electrical engineer. You'll get a number of jobs listed under that category. Likewise, you can register and apply in all the employment portals. People all around the world use these apps, so there is a lot of competition. The recruiters only look for the recently updated resume. So it is always good to update your resume every now and then. Number 4. Effective usage of LinkedIn. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, please do create one, because this is the platform where you can find a lot of working professionals. Like and follow the companies that match your interests. You will be notified regularly about the company updates. You can also try to get in touch with the employees of your desired organization to gain some knowledge from them. You can also request them to refer your name if they have any vacancies available. Number 5. Networking. Many of us don't like this, but this is the most effective and straightforward way of getting a job. You can always look for referrals from your friends, relatives, former colleagues, LinkedIn professionals, and even your professors. You can ask them to let you know if they have any opening in their company. This works the best if you are looking for a job abroad. Keep trying all these methods consistently. All you need is a leap of faith and some patience. You'll get there eventually. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.